Hola, 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 hola. Sharp video with it, Bafetu. Thank you for tuning into everything SAT Ski News. We all know that the channel has always been keeping you updated, and on this one, we got you latest defender complication from Pirates to Durban City. That's the news that we're gonna be bringing you. But before we jump straight ahead with those news, please make sure you smash that subscribe button, turn notification bell, leave your thought, comment down below the section, cause Rato never left the building. On this one, latest complications from Pirates to Durban City. Newly promoted Durban City FC are understood to be experiencing complications in finalizing registrations of a Nigerian defender who was previously seen at Pirates. The Everything SA News has been informed. Sources close to KwaZulu-Natal based club have indicated that Collins is believed to have signed for the Betway Premiership newcomers, but administrative challenges are preventing his immediate registration. In an exclusive with the Everything SAT Ski, Durban City owner Farouk Godwad revealed that the player's international transfer certificate ITC remains unavailable, causing significant delays in the process. We are waiting for the ITC. There are some challenges there. We are waiting for SAFA FIFA to sort it out. Then we will see whether he is available or not. What I am saying is that we are prepared to be patient, to be able to adjust our conditions in South Africa are much faster than Nigeria, so we are going to give them that chance. That first we need to get his documentations. We cannot talk much, we can only unveil him once we have done documentation complete. Farouk told Everything SAT Ski. The chairman explained that while the necessary documents were submitted before the transfer window deadline, technical issues on the Nigerian side have complicated the process. Basically, the documents were released before the window closed. There were some technicalities from the Nigerian side that SAFA is trying to sort out. Farouk told Everything SAT Ski. The club owner also confirmed that apart pursuing Zimbabwean striker Washington Navaya, Durban City have concluded their transfer business for the current window. Nobody else apart from the Zimbabwean striker. I closed shopping. The shopping is over. Got nobody now. Farouk concluded Durban City had earned automatic promotion to the Betway Premiership after winning the Mtsipe Foundation Championship title last season, returning to top flight 3 years after being relegated when they were known as Maritzburg United. Please let me know what you think about this news down below the comment section. From your boy Isaac Why So Nice, but Hawema Umtarwin Chumba Qim Shelele.
Tonight's game against the Buccaneers. Bele. Oh, that's goal bound. That is